Hello and welcome to the News Frontier 24/7. It is 20th August 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. Foreign Affairs Minister says timing of IDF decision not to pursue criminal investigation was especially insulting. It is absolutely outrageous that after 2 years of investigating, the Israeli authorities have cleared themselves of any wrongdoing. The Australian government needs to do more than just issue some strongly worded statements. It's a significant loss not only to her family, but to the Australian community, because she was the best of us. The people that run into danger, that try to help others. Prime Minister Carney hailed significant progress in trade talks as the two countries seek to hammer out final details ahead of a new weekend tariff deadline. What does a payments giant want with a startup that routes prompts between different AI models? Stripe says it's because of the singularity, but it's really for a far more real and powerful reason. Actress Hayden Panettiere was found in cardiac arrest prior to her death on Sunday, the Greenville County Coroner's Office said. NATO allies probed on loyalty to U.S. policies in Pentagon questionnaire obtained exclusively by Al Jazeera. CMA's NSERT has recast the team for preparing political science textbooks for classes 11 and 12, with one of the two books slated to be ready by Nov. The 20-member panel includes faculty from JNU, DU, IGNOU and NLU Delhi, among others. At least 4 members have links, past or present, with organizations associated with RSS-BJP. All held a 4-day run of gains as traders assessed the standoff in the Middle East between Iran and the US, with signs some crude is being shipped through the Strait of Hormuz to global markets. The state's Food and Drug Administration suspends licenses of 2 Blinkit facilities in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar and Mumbai for serious food safety violations, including expired products and poor hygiene. The co-founder of Little Moons shares her advice for anyone thinking about starting a business of their own. Party above nation for Congress, BJP slams CWC's Vande Mataram resolution. Prince Harry, Meghan Markle moving back to UK this month, reports. The next-generation robotaxi, called the Waymo Ojai, is central to the company's push towards mass-scale and eventually profitability. 5-wicket haul on comeback goes hand-in-hand with Tung's exceptional docking of the tail. What is postpartum psychosis and why is it central in the Lindsay Clancy trial? Zuckerberg lied about concern for child safety, Meta whistleblower testifies at landmark trial. Syria's Interior Ministry says that Lebanon has extradited a former military officer from Lebanon to Syrian authorities. U.S. stock markets enjoyed a boost as easing bond yields and a spike in Moderna shares contributed to a favorable trading environment. Despite the Federal Reserve's minutes highlighting inflation concerns and discussions on rate hikes, investors remain optimistic. The Treasury's announcement of liquidity support revitalized riskier assets, particularly in tech stocks, while the success of Moderna's cancer therapy trial uplifted the healthcare sector. 1-minute read preparations for next moonwalk simulations underway, and underwater, the Orbital Clarity Challenge, the 6th in the NASA TechLeap Prize series, is a collaborative effort between NASA's Heliophysics Division, Flight Opportunities Program, and Center of Excellence for Collaborative Innovation. The Heliophysics Division studies space weather, including how it heats and expands Earth's outer atmosphere during intense solar activity, creating orbital drag through atmospheric density changes. The challenge calls for low-cost methods of measuring thermospheric density, pressure, or drag in low Earth. While there is no rule that the chairperson of a scientific institution must be a scientist, it matters for each institution's credibility and vision. India and Palestine signed pacts for a 200-bed super-specialty hospital and vocational training center, while India reaffirmed support for Palestine. England vs Pakistan, first Test Day 1 highlights, hosts England hold the edge at stumps on Day 1. They wasted little time wrapping up Pakistan's innings and then taking further control of the match with the bat. Willie set Sridhar, who worked as a journalist, had a drinking habit and would frequently create a ruckus at home after consuming alcohol. He was also accused of assaulting his wife during such quarrels. Curbs on surrogate advertising must avoid regulatory overreach. That is all for this bulletin from the News Frontier 24/7. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.